Guys, this is a quick video on how you can add a YouTube video on Instagram story. So this is the most simplest way, not using the swipe up option, which is only available to the people who have 10,000 or more followers. So we're gonna go to YouTube. We're gonna select like the first video they have. We're going to copy that link. I'm going to go back to Instagram, just record the random stuff, and then go over here and find the option link. Then just paste it, say done, and this is going to be a YouTube link which you're going to have when you put it onto your story. I hope that this helped you. Follow us for more useful tips.